having 12-volt power in your RV is super great. It allows you to run lights, fans, vents, anything you can imagine, basically. Well, to somewhat of a limit. But something that you might need to go along with all of your appliances is a switch. Hi, I'm Lindsay here from RecPro. I'm here to tell you guys all about our on-off rocker switches. Now these switches come both in white and in black, so they are sure to match your interior. The product code for this is RP-1665. So this switch is an on-off rocker switch. So simple flip of the switch, turn something on or off. It has a single pole, single throw hookup, and there are 4 switches here, so you can hook up 4 appliances straight to this one switch in a one designated area. This switch is made out of a tough, durable plastic, and it has these nice, smooth, round edges that give it a sleek look, and they are made here right in America. On the back here, there is this 1/4-inch blade, which allows you to hook up wires to it relatively easy. If you guys are interested in either the white switch or the black switch, please check out the link down below in the description. And while you're down there, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.